Kickserv is a field service management platform designed to help small service teams manage customers, jobs, scheduling, estimates, invoices, and team communication in one system. By the end, you'll know what Kickserv does, why small teams consider using it, and how to decide if it fits your business in 2026. Go to. Small service teams often have to handle everything at once, from answering customer requests to scheduling jobs and collecting payments. Kickserv is built to organize those tasks so important information is easier to track. The main reason small teams look at software like Kickserv is usually because their current process becomes harder to manage as they take on more work. When customer details, job notes, schedules, and billing information are spread across different tools, it can create extra work. A field service platform brings those pieces together into one workflow. Kickserv focuses on helping businesses manage the entire job process. Teams can use it to keep customer information organized, schedule work, create estimates, track jobs, and manage invoices. For a small team, the biggest advantage is having a consistent system. Everyone can follow the same process instead of relying on separate notes, messages, or personal methods. The challenge is making sure the software matches the way your company operates. A small team with a simple workflow may not need every feature included in a full service management platform. A team handling more customers, employees, and job details may find more value in having everything connected. Before choosing Kickserv, look at where your current process slows down. If scheduling takes too much time, customer information is difficult to find, or invoices are not connected to completed work, those are areas where a management platform may help. The setup process also matters. New software requires time to organize information, create workflows, and make sure everyone knows how to use the system. The best results come when the whole team uses the platform consistently. A tool with many features does not help if important tasks continue happening outside the system. Kickserv can be a useful option for small teams that need better organization, but the right choice depends on your workload and the problems you need to solve. The main points are simple. Kickserv combines important field service tasks into one platform. Small teams can benefit from better organization, and the value depends on whether it improves your current workflow. Your next step is to list the 3 tasks that create the most frustration in your business, and compare them with what Kickserv offers. If this helped you understand whether Kickserv is worth it for small teams in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical software reviews.